Alex figuring out the stairs. He likes to pull himself in for the last part. It's only his second time going into his little house. Hey, Alex. Oh, look how tall you are. You are so tall.
Oh, you're gonna go down the slide? Oh.
We're gonna go down the slide.
You go down the slide? You go down the slide? You go down the slide? Probably not.
He's pretty excited.